Taking pictures. No, I'm not.
Okay. Luke, turn it down. The battery's low. I think.
No, it's on green flashing. Okay, Cassie, you have to help her.
I'm supposed to sit on and get off. I'm going to say hello. Welcome to the Fort Channel. Cassie, get off. Get off.
You guys are going to keep quiet. I'm going to have you go upstairs because I'm trying to work.
I'm trying to get off. Now let me complete my sentence.
Ah.
Cassie, I'm doing something.
You do? Oh, yeah. My sister and brother adore him. He really has changed. He's responsible.
Cassie, don't call me a gay wad, because I'm not a gay wad.
I know, what are you doing?
How can you zoom in?
You know what? Brooke, let me say something for this. Let me say something. Hello, welcome to the Stupid Fort Channel. As you see,
Did he by any chance?
I couldn't say it. I'm her straight love.
This from my own observation.
As you see right here, she is now making some kind of white fort.
Strangle you.
As I was saying, she's making a weird white fort, and I am not.
Shut up.
Anyways, when she does that, she. Please don't hurt me. No.
I'm going to lock you in the restroom. Come on.
You can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
No, stop.